The following program uses two string variables, name and color. It asks for your name and then your favorite color. The final printf statement then displays what you entered. This line includes the standard input-output library, which provides functions like printf and scanf_s used for displaying output and reading input. This is a macro definition that calculates the number of elements in an array. Size of array gives the total size in bytes. Size of array 0 gives the size of one element. Dividing the two gives the element count. This is the main function, where the program starts execution. These lines declare two-character arrays named name and color. Each have space for up to 19 characters plus a null terminator. This prints a prompt asking the user to enter their name. This reads a string input from the user into the name array. %19s limits input to 19 characters to prevent buffer overflow. Scanf_s requires the buffer size as an additional argument. _countoff, name, calculates the size of the array. Unsigned prevents accidental interpretation of the size of the integer as a negative number. Scanf_s expects a positive integer when you're passing the buffer size for a string input. This prints a prompt asking for the user's favorite color. Similar to the previous scanf_s, this reads the color input safely into the color array. This prints the final message using the values entered by the user. %s is a placeholder for strings. The output will look like, Fred's favorite color is green. For learning purposes, let's experiment with this code. Here we will determine if the order of the variables are important. The order of the variables have been reversed. Color comes first and then name. Now if you run the program, you will see green's favorite color is Fred. This modification uses the name variable twice. Running the program will give an output, Fred's favorite color is Fred. In this modification, a string constant is used. A string constant is simply enclosed in quotes. The string constant green works because printf's %s placeholder looks for a string of text. It doesn't matter whether the string is a variable or a text string in double quotes. Of course, using variables is more of an advantage when writing programs.